Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy A11 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera mirror effect at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner to this button. When we pick it, we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's slide a little bit and focus on useful features category. At the second place here we have pictures as preview option. This is kind of mirror effect at this camera with short information from the device that this saves selfies as they appear in the preview without flipping them. By using this button we can turn it off or turn it on like that as we need. And of course remember that this only works with the front camera. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.